Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we have an unboxing video. We actually have two of them that we posted today. This first one is a Alltel device. It took me forever to find. I'm looking for about a year to find one. And here it is. Looks like we'll go ahead and open the chargers first. So here they are. Came with micro USB LG phone charger. Came with a Alltel branded micro USB phone charger, and then an additional micro USB LG phone charger. So two chargers, a car charger, and the phone and battery. Here it is, LG AX500. I had one of these in my first YouTube video I made, and I ended up breaking it for some reason. So now I finally was able to get another one. You can see it looks to be in decent shape. Probably needs a little cleaning. There it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.